Hey, have you heard about Microsoft Project?
Yes, I have. It's a project management tool created by Microsoft.
Can I get MS Project for free?
No, it's a paid tool that's part of the Microsoft Office suite.
What is a MS Project file?
It's a file format used by MS Project to save project data.
Is MS Project a PMO tool?
Yes, it's a tool that helps in project management and is used by PMOs.
Is MS Project just Excel?
No, it's a specialized tool designed for project management and has features that Excel doesn't have.
What type of tool is MS Project?
It's a project management tool that helps in planning, tracking, and managing projects.
Is MS Project easy to learn?
It can be challenging to learn initially, but Microsoft provides training and resources to help users learn the tool.
How do I start a MS Project?
You can open the tool, create a new project, and start entering project data.
Is Jira a PMO?
No, Jira is an issue tracking tool used in Agile project management.
Is MS Project used in Agile?
Yes, it can be used in Agile project management and has features to support Agile methodology.
Is Jira a PM tool?
Yes, Jira is a project management tool, but it's more focused on Agile project management.
Can I use MS Project online?
Yes, Microsoft provides an online version of MS Project that can be accessed through a web browser.
Is Microsoft Project cloud-based?
Yes, the online version of MS Project is cloud-based and can be accessed from anywhere.
Is MS Project being discontinued?
No, Microsoft has not announced any plans to discontinue MS Project.
Why is MS Project used?
MS Project is used to plan, track, and manage projects, allocate resources, and monitor progress.
Is MS Project a Gantt chart?
No, but it has a Gantt chart view that helps in visualizing project tasks and timelines.
Which companies use MS Project?
Many companies use MS Project, including IBM, Microsoft, and Boeing.
Is MS Project better than Excel?
For project management, MS Project is a better tool than Excel because it's designed specifically for project management.
Is MS Project paid?
Yes, it's a paid tool that's part of the Microsoft Office suite.
Why is Microsoft Project so difficult?
It can be challenging to learn initially because it's a specialized tool, but Microsoft provides training and resources to help users learn the tool.